Hey you guys, as soon as I go outside, there's an airplane flying over. I'm gonna try to get it. See it? Yep. It's not a jet, it's a small aircraft. As soon as I came outside, the plane starts flying by my house. I live in a very small town, you guys. This ain't a joke. This is real life. This is real life, you guys. They don't stop. I went outside the front door, and guess what? The neighbor's lights blasting right on my bedroom window. There's the plane. I'm feeling very ill, vertigo, headache, anxiety, pain, burning. This ain't a joke, you guys. This is real life. Real life. And that light, it's not a regular light, you guys. That is weapons that they are using on people, on me, to radiate me right in my home. I'm gonna pause this, and I'm gonna go. You can still see the lights of the plane. Were they just hanging out there? You see the light flashing. I'll be back. I'll be back. Pray for me. Yeah, YouTube gave me a strike on this channel for simply playing the truth of someone else about the VACCINE, the number you call. Probably gang stalkers driving by right there. I'll be back. Start looking at things around you. You'll notice faces and weird stuff, because God is breaking the veil, and He will allow His children to know the truth. Yeah, these lights, not all of them are regular lights, you guys.